So we have 4 different accounts now. My simple goal is this server needs to communicate with this server needs to communicate with this server needs to communicate with this server. So all 4 servers need to be communicated. So what is the solution? This is my problem statement. This is a high level network design for my new project. So how can I communicate them? What are all these solutions are available? First solution is VPC peering. Second one is transit gateway.
Rajni, this transit gateway, it's similar with that hub-spoke model.
Right, exactly. Hub and spoke.
No, haven't spoke. Yeah.
In Azure, hub and spoke and full mesh. You have both
Yeah.
connectivities. Okay, I'll also tell that you can make that kind of connectivity a transit gateway here, and you can also make full mesh also. It's your wish. Here, if what is my VPC peering will say? Peering will say that okay, here also one route table is there. Here also one route table is there. You exchange the routes. How you will exchange the routes? Now look at carefully, sir. Now my VPC CIDR here is CIDR is equal to 10 dot 10 dot 1 dot 0 slash sorry 10 dot 0 dot 0 slash 16. So this is my uh, IP address. Now here, what is an IP address here? So it is a 11, and here it is 12, and here it is 13. So you cannot use the same. If you use the same, it will be conflicted. No, it is not possible. I'll also tell you where it is conflicts. Now this server needs to connect with this server. So what options are there? First option is VPC peering. So how can I connect with that? VPC peering will make you communicate with 2 VPCs only. That means this is a service you need to create. Then you need to connect this route table with this IP address, and you need to connect this route table with this IP address. That's it. So these 2 servers can be communicated. But you cannot communicate this server with third VPC in another account. No, it is not possible. Even you can make like this. Okay, create one more VPC and make a communication like this. Make a communication like this. Create one more like this between and make a communication like this. Make a communication like this. So here to here you can communicate. Here to here you can communicate. But not here to here you cannot communicate because only one VPC peering. So here to here, if you want to communicate, what do you need, sir? You need one more VPC peering separately, and you need to connect like this. You need to connect like this. So any 2 VPCs you have to connect. With VPC peering, any 2 VPCs you need to connect. And it is low cost. It is low cost and also easy and easy maintenance, low cost. But there is a problem. You cannot connect 2 or more VPCs at a time. So transit gateway is little costly. VPC peering is little less cost comparatively to the transit gateway. Now this is a problem, right? That problem being solved by the transit gateway. Now what I can do with the transit gateway, sir, any questions on this VPC peering before I'm going to transit gateway?
No. No.
Only one question, Rajni. Like, if we want to connectivity with VPC pairing only,
Mhm.
then we have to create multiple peering, correct?
Right. As I said, see, this fourth one, first one you wanted to communicate, then you have to create. And this one to this one you want to communicate, you have to create one more pairing. And this one to this one you want to connect, then you have to create one more pairing. So three pairings you are creating. Why can't you create one transit gateway? So with three pairings you are paying some 50 rupees let's say example, and transit gateway also charging the 50 rupees. So instead maintaining multiple, you can create one, right? So that is the logic here. What this VPC pairing will give me the benefits? Pairing will give you the benefits. Even your VPC in same region, so you can connect. You can connect. Even it is a different region, you can connect. Even it is different account in different region, public account, your OU account, whatever, you can connect. Only you can connect. How many, sir? Two VPCs only. Two VPCs only. Sorry. Two VPCs only. So this is an advantage and disadvantage of this pairing. Okay. Now let me come to my transit gateway. So whenever somebody is asking what is VPC pairing means, your VPC can be in the same region, different region, same account or different account, but you can able to connect them by using VPC pairing, but only two. What I'll do now, I'll come to the transit gateway. So coming to the transit gateway, transit. This is transit gateway. Here only one transit gateway I'll create. TGW. One transit gateway only I will create. And after that, what I'll do, I'll create multiple attachments. I'll create multiple transit gateway attachments.